I feel very happy because to be in this club, it's great because we help all the vulnerable. When we go to places like the burn ward, at Children's Home, and Mustard Seed, and giving the children gifts, we feel excited because we know that we're giving and we know that we're going to be leaders of tomorrow.
A whopping 135 students, including 45 boys, have signed up to be a part of the Red Cross group at the DuPont Primary School. Welcome to another week of School Zone. I'm Tamara McHale. Today we find out how this inner city school is using this medium to engage the students while teaching them the value of giving back. Do stay with me.
What a team, Red Cross and the team, united all the people them, we serve one another. No ear barrier, no inner is a thinking, for in life, disaster and injury. So come help the sick and the suffering, and lend a hand to the needy. When war starts, Red Cross is neutral, for love and peace to say, no confusion. We are one appeal to his service, and we united and impartial. Henry do not start it. We don't have Switzerland. Now the whole world are run with it. Red Cross to the world.
Dressed in white with some already in their red hats and emblems was the newest set of students to join the Red Cross Corps at DuPont Primary. So large was the group that it's said to have made the history books within Red Cross in Jamaica.
I don't recall a school having this number of persons enrolled in recent times. You are serving one another. So as you do that and you keep doing it, you will raise yourselves to greater heights.
So what does Red Cross uphold?
It promotes mutual understanding, friendship, cooperation, and lasting peace amongst all people. It endeavors only to relieve suffering, giving priority to the most urgent cases of distress.
We don't discriminate, we just help. You can do lots of things like go to the hospital, help the poor, and everything to give them soap, food, things like that.
We have a relationship with a school in Canada. Oftentimes, our school, through our principal, they send us gifts. They will sell us like wheelchair and those things. Now, our principal look on which club is doing well, and he will say, okay, Red Cross is doing well, so I'll give you this gift, and you distribute to whoever you want. Now, we have the homes, and we have the hospital, and we have these places where we want to give. So we go, and we give it to them.
Having such a large number of students enrolled in the club is in line with Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaite's appeal for more students to become members of uniformed groups, a point supported by the school's chairman.
This is certainly a good move. We want to get our children involved in something a little bit more than themselves, organizations and activities where they are linked to giving service to humanity, and this is an example of that.
A fine example of how to keep students active, engaged and disciplined. DuPont Primary in the benefits.
When they look on DuPont, molding the children are becoming, in giving, they become so conscious that I have potential. Oh, I'm wonderful. Oh, I can do things. I may be in a inner city, but the inner city is not in me. I am bigger than that.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, and there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place.
My child being a part of this program right now, I'm feeling totally elated because the Red Cross is a very good program to get your children involved in, because I myself was a member while I was going to high school.
I feel real good. It can help to change them and let them be a better person.
It's a good program because it help other children, help other parents. She can get to help other children by after donations, mothers contribute, give to us so she can help other people. You know?
DuPont Primary Red Cross, linking together a community through the chain of service and friendship.
We are Red Cross and the DuPont Private School. United we stand, divided we fall. We have a vision to be great leaders of tomorrow as we serve one another. As we serve one another. As we serve one another.
Indeed, it's quite uplifting to see all these students giving back through the medium of Red Cross. Hopefully you too can get involved in a service group in your school or community. Till next time, I'm Tamara McHale for School Zones.